books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky. As easy as pie.
So yummers.
Wow, Franny. Your pies are insane. The best pies on earth.
Thank you. It took me a whole week to perfect this new special top secret pie.
It took you a week to come up with a recipe for pie? That's nuts. It's not like cooking's hard to do.
If it's so easy, why don't you try
It'd be easy as pie. And I'd like to see you try to be an inventor. Make something really simple, like a bike.
Sure, I could do that.
All right, then. Put her there. Bjorn's our witness. The Bacon Make Challenge is on. What is pie? Pie is something you make in an oven. But what if you could just put the ingredients in the top of the oven and the rest was automatic? There is no such oven. Ooh, that's great. I get to invent one. Weld and solder and screw and drill. Inventing stuff is such a thrill. With a mountain of brains and an ocean of skill, I'll make an auto-pionating ovenizer, I will.
Right, where do I begin? Ooh, first I'll pick the color. Pink, duh. My bike will be pink. Ooh, with purple polka dots and yellow handlebars. I'm really good at this. And I think the wheels should match the handlebars. That is a beautiful design. I'll make the seat white like a big fluffy cloud. And the chain will have all the colors of the rainbow in it. It's just gorgeous. I'm a super genius.
Let's see. Now, what do we put in it? I'm a little fuzzy on the formula, but I think a cherry pie needs cherries. What a breakthrough! Your genius is mind-blowing. Next, you can solve the ancient mystery. What is in an apple pie? Be quiet, please. I'm cooking. Pie, genius time. What else yummy do I need to add? Honey, perfect! Gotta have chocolate. Sweet! I think it's time to tackle the crust. The crust has got eggs in it, right? Bingo! These snake eggs should be fine. After all, eggs are eggs. I think crusts also have flour. Like, a lot, yeah. You have to have a ton of flour. Probably. Phew. Looks like that's all. Soon pie.
Great. Where could I find bicycle parts? First, I'll need the pink frame. Pink. Of course, raspberries and cream. And for the purple polka dots, blueberries will work fine. Oh, that's shaping up very nicely. And this will be a perfect yellow handlebar. And for yellow wheels, I can just cut some lovely pineapple rings. Oh, and chocolate icing for the tires. And I'll make the white seat out of coconuts. Now the rainbow chain, candy worms. Now to put the pieces together.
Your judge has arrived. Let's see what you came up with.
Your big mouth started this, so you go first.
I give you the pioneering ovenizer and genius berry pie.
Huh?
You're the first bear to enjoy it.
Well, the crust seems a bit tough.
Tough crust? I've got just the thing.
Huh?
I'll be right back. And I'm back. And it's pie time.
Huh?
Your pie is served.
I'm sorry, but that isn't going into my mouth, because I like having teeth. Well, Franny, it's your turn. Let's see the bike you invented.
Isn't this the most beautiful bicycle you've ever seen? Speechless? Huh? I understand. Try it out, Bjorn.
Ugh, for real? Doesn't it move?
Well, no, but it's beautiful and sweet.
I'd say that we've got ourselves a tie. All right, then, shake paws, you guys.
You know, I think that making pies just isn't my thing.
And I'm not much of an inventor, as it happens.
Oh, Franny, would you like my super pie-inating ovenizer?
All right. I'll make a brand new pie for you. With raspberries and banana and pineapple and candy worms and coconut and chocolate icing, called bicycle pie.
The perfect friends.
Morning, Bucky. You want to pick berries with me?
Franny, forget that. Come and check out this awesome thing I made. Look. It can read the star's thoughts. Just take a listen.
Huh? I don't hear anything at all. It's just a little random noise.
Noise? Those are star's thoughts. Fine. Go on, pick your berries.
Later!
I'm going fishing. Wanna come along? It'll be fun.
How could I be interested in fishing when I'm listening to the thoughts of the stars? You want to hear them?
No. I'm not really hearing any thoughts. Just some noise. Kind of like you hear in a seashell.
Well, you're not exactly an expert, Bjorn. Just go and catch your fish.
Okie dokie, Bucky. I'll be at the river, dude.
Try not to die of boredom. Oh! Go away, Chickie. It's not a good time. Why don't any of my friends understand me? I wish I could find a world where my friends would completely get me. Big genius idea! The thingy goes in the other thingy, right by the other thingy. Good! All finished. Now to give it a try. Yank the lever. I'm so clever. Walk through the portal to wherever. Science stuff! Okay. What happened? It didn't work at all.
Hi, Bucky. I made some upgrades to your boring machine. Do you want to come see it?
Really? What upgrade? Who said you could do that? Okay, I understand. Seems you, quote, upgraded it by adding that flower.
Well, partly. I added that to Hickey as well. It's pretty cool. It reads the star's mood and turns the mood into music. Actually, the dancing flower is just there for funsies.
Did you just say music from star moods?
That's right. I'm also planning to do the reverse as well, so the flower's thoughts will make the stars dance.
Cool.
Want to help with the calculations?
Yeah, sure, all right. Surprise, surprise, shock of shocks. Who knew Franny was a genius fox?
Just a bit more left. Now we just have to find the way to transform thoughts into something musical.
Franny, hey, do you feel hungry at all? Are any of your raspberry pies left over from yesterday?
What are you talking about? I have never cooked in my whole life. Here, just choke down some vitamins. They're bitter as the dickens, but they're great for your brain. Now, we also have to calculate making it work in reverse.
Franny, I'm just gonna go, get a little fresh air, which is good for your brain, too. You just keep mathing and stuff.
Now, if the coefficient of the variable...
Yo, Bjorn. Hi there. New fishing rod? Let's try it out.
Fishing? Aren't you cute? It's not a fishing rod, dude. It's my super transmutator.
Super trans... what?
With this invention, I can change into any shape I choose. Say, for example, awesome time! My best friend, Bucky.
Bjorn? I'm a little bit creeped out by that. Can you please stop being me?
No problem.
Bjorn, yeah, that's pretty cool and all, but you still have a regular fishing rod, right?
Why would I have that? Fishing's trivial next to my scientific pursuits.
Oh, Chickie, you want to play? Come on, then. All right, Chickie Bird, run and get the pine cone.
Bucky, what are you doing? Sorry for that, Professor Flyenstein. May I give you a demonstration of my new transmutator? I made the modifications you suggested and reversed the polarity of the frigid. The gain was amazing.
Too weird. I take it back. This is anti-awesome. Pull the lever and close that door forever.
Bucky?
Franny? Bjorn? Dr. Flyenstein?
Dr. Wettenstein? Bucky, all of us were thinking about it, so we'd all like to learn some science stuff that has to do with your inventions.
So you can find us more interesting to talk with and stuff.
Don't be silly. I like you guys the way you are. You don't need to learn science. Let's go and pick berries for a pie. Then we'll all go fishing.
That's easy. The solution to the problem is friendship.
The Tooth Fairy.
Slumber party jump fest! It's the best!
Franny, thanks. This has been a super awesome slumber party.
Come on, is that all? I want to play some more.
It's time for us to brush our teeth and go to bed. It's late.
Brush our teeth? Count me out. Brushing's lame.
Seriously? You mean you never brush your teeth?
Of course not. What a waste of time. Besides, I already brushed my teeth. Earlier. This year.
Well, that explains his breath.
Always brushing your teeth. How very pointless. What the, huh? Toothpaste beard, huh? Nice. And which one of you jokers pulled this little prank? Empty beds? Aha! Follow the bloppy little clues. Straight to the guilty parties. Ha! Gotcha! Whoa! This is a really weird bathroom! Oh. Wow! Now this is cool! What is this place?
This is the kingdom of Toothopolis!
Oh! That means you would be...
I'm the Tooth Fairy. And this is my intern. Come on, Bucky. Let me give you a tour of Toothopolis.
Toothopolis is the second most popular body part-centric theme park of all time, with such attractions as the Molar Coaster, the Toothy Spin, and the Fluoride Glide.
And that's Emperor Brighttooth. You should probably say hello.
Hi there, Emperor. My name's Bucky. And so now that we're all friends and stuff, is it fine if I ride some rides?
Absolutely, Bucky. Have an excellent time.
A carnival booth called Shoot the Tooth. Up, in a toothbrush cup. An awesome loopy trip in a toothpaste rocket ship. I never knew toothy stuff could be this much fun. Whoa! What is that? There's a huge monster over there!
That's Placulorg, our amusement park's mortal foe. He wants to destroy all this. He's a real pain in the gums.
Hey there, Placulorg! Just back off! I'd call the police about now.
We don't have a police force. The people of Toothopolis are absolutely defenseless.
Oh, then I suppose you're out of luck. Can you tell me where the exit to my world is?
But, Bucky, please! You can't abandon us now! You're our only hope of beating Placulorg!
That hideous monster fears only one thing in the world. Toothpaste, my boy. Go now, brave cub. Toothopolis' fate is in your paws. Don't let us down.
Okay. All right then, Placulorg. Prepare to get geniused.
Oh, please, Bucky! Hurry up!
Placulorg! You call that a burp? That's the puniest thing I ever heard! That's better! Aha!
Bucky, you did it! You saved us!
You know, sometimes you just have to roll up your sleeves and save the world.
In appreciation for your service to Toothopolis, I present you with our highest honor, Flexcalibur, the Wonder Brush.
Gosh, thanks. I might even use a great brush like this one.
Well, goodbye, noble Bucky! Think of us when you see a shiny set of chompers.
just a regular bathroom. Well, duh. Yeah, I knew it was just a dream. Wait, Excalibur. How'd you get here? If this is real, well then, there really is a Toothopolis.
Bucky, are you brushing your teeth for real?
Yep, now I'm all set for another year. Don't mess with Blackulord.